So what are those, sir?
Sinker for fishing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right, sir. Good morning. What is your name?
George.
George. Okay. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm metal detecting.
Oh, metal detecting.
Yes, it picks up coins, gold, silver, everything.
Okay. Are you doing it every day?
No, it's a hobby.
Okay.
For the weekend.
Okay.
When I'm in leave, yeah.
So you always find something though?
Yeah, you find it, yeah. Some days you find, some days you don't find. But you find a lot of money.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So you can also detect coins?
Yes.
Okay. So from where you starting and then up to where?
I started here by the bridge, and I'll walk down and we'll walk back.
From what time to time?
Yeah, sometimes 4 hours, sometimes 5 hours.
Okay. So let me just watch what you're doing. So metal
Yeah,
detecting.
Any metal.
Okay.
Whatever your gold, your silver, all those metals.
All right.
Picks up.
You can always find something.
Yes. Oh, you gotta find something.
All right.
You never go home empty-handed.
Okay.
But the water is not easy because everything is moving around.
Yeah. So that the guy showed the sinker. So what are you doing with that sinker if you got?
Sell it. Put it around the cages.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, but it keeps on moving this way, that way. There's rock there, so it's difficult.
So you're doing this every weekend?
Not every weekend.
Okay.
Sometimes also to do with your tide.
Oh.
High tide, low tide. The high tide I don't come.
Okay. So how would you know if there's something that you are digging?
Telling me,
Let me see.
oh,
Sorry.
tells the number.
Oh. So if it shows a number, meaning there's something inside.
Yeah, 19 is something. Could be
Okay.
a sinker, could be a ring, could be a bangle. But it's difficult in the rocks. Yeah, it's sure that. It's moving around.
Maybe it's under the rock.
Yeah.
So far you got something already.
Yeah.
You collected something. Let me see. Oh.
You know what that is? I found a bangle.
Oh.
Treasure. Treasure hunting. It's called treasure hunting.
Mm.
I got it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Sinker with
That's
brass.
nice.
You see, it's got brass there. That's why
Oh, that's why it can detect.
it's picking up a different message. Yeah.
Okay. So how many grams that one sinker now?
Right?
Let me see.
Sometimes 10.
Oh, it's heavy.
Very heavy, yeah. You need maybe 9-10 for 1 kg.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's picking up this one. See,
Oh.
this one is brass.
All right.
That's why it gave me 19, the number 19. Brass and gold is very similar.
All right. And the coins you said?
Yeah,
Coins, how much it is showing there if it's a coin?
21, 23.
All right.
5 rand, 25, 24 is 2 rand, 26, 28 is 1 rand.
Okay, I want to see again if you can get something again.
Yeah, no, I like to go here because if the ring is falling,
Yes.
I like to stay against the rock.
Oh, yes.
That's why I do the rock.
Sir, where do you stay?
Right?
Where you stay?
That's how you find out.
Oh, you just come here to do this thing.
Yeah.
Pastime, really.
Yeah, it's a hobby. Must be a hobby.
Oh, yes.
I find one day 25,000 rand.
Really?
Two diamonds.
You sold it.
No.
That's very lucky.
If I want to sell, they will give me 22,000. 20,000 rand. I don't want to sell.
There are treasures here.
Yeah. Where are you from? Philippines.
Oh, how come you know?
I work with a lot of Philippine people.
Oh, really?
I can see in your face. I work with a lot of people in Transkei.
Yeah?
There's a lot of Filipinos in the
Oh.
textile, clothing business.
Yes.
Yeah.
There's a lot of
And
Filipinos
we do
there.
a lot of karaoke, you know. Sing.
Yeah.
They like every day, every evening.
But that is not my forte.
Now, those people every weekend we did that.
Thank you for not telling me
Thank
I'm
you, ma'am.
Chinese.
I'm George.
George, yeah.
Yes, my
No,
pleasure.
because a lot of people here,
Yes.
they telling me I'm Chinese.
Right?
Chinese.
Chinese.
Yeah, they're telling me I'm Chinese. I said no.
I can see you Filipino.
Okay. Yeah, so
Enjoy your day, madam.
okay, yes sir. Thank you for
For the
being with
interview.
me. Yes.
My
And
pleasure.
enjoy, sir.
I will
And
be safe.
and good luck.
Thank you very much.
All right, thank you.
Bye-bye.